Okay guys, so this is Hitesh Tripathi and this is just another video of our graph theory. We will be doing this question of CACS problem set shortest roots 1. Okay, and topic of this video is Dijkstra triple SP. Okay, Dijkstra single source shortest path. Before this, if you haven't subscribed this channel, you can subscribe this channel. I post obviously competitive programming and DSA related videos. And now, what is Dijkstra algorithm? If you have a graph weighted or if you have a weighted graph, directed or undirected, and in that graph you have to tell shortest path from any single source, let's say root, to every other node, you can use Dijkstra algorithm. Okay, and let's see what is this. Let's say we have a graph like this. Here this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's say this is 6 and this is it. Okay, you can also make some edges. Now as we know, weighted graph, this is for weighted graph. Okay, let's weight them. Weight 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's say we have to tell shortest path from node 1 to every other node. Okay, what we will do, obviously we will make a array. Okay, in which we will store distances of every vertices from source, and one is source already, and one to one distance will be obviously 0. And initially we will initialize this distance array with infinity. Okay, every distance initially will be infinity. Okay, here we have 2, 4, 5, 6 vertices, and I think I made one less. Okay, these are also 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1 second. Okay, our graph is something like this, and I have made this array where I will store distances of every vertices from source node, and distance of source node from 1 will be obviously 0, and all other distances initially are infinity. Okay, now obviously for the Dijkstra algorithm we use BFS. Okay, what is BFS? I have already explained in my previous video. You can check if you don't know what is BFS, breadth first search. In BFS what we do is, we have a graph. From source node we start traversal. Okay, and then we will see adjacency list of our source node, which will be having 2 and 4. Okay, now weight of 2 is obviously 2, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's just update weights here. Okay, weight of 2 is 2, and one more thing, weight of 2, one term here is relaxation. Okay, or you can simply don't name it, simply understand. When we will traverse adjacency list of some node, let's say here we are traversing adjacency list of 1. Okay, we have 2 and 4. Now we are checking distance of 2. Sorry, we are checking distance of 2. What we will simply check is, when we are at 2, that initial distance of 2, which is right now infinity. Okay, and distance of its parent. Okay, distance of its parent. Okay, which is 0, plus weight of, or you can say length of this edge. Okay, which is 2. So total distance from source to 2 is right now 0 plus 2 2, and initial distance of 2 is infinity. So obviously we are calculating shortest distance of nodes. So obviously what we will do is we will update this distance of 2 and remove infinity. So what I have done in this step is I have simply checked sorry, initial distance of some node, which is let's say initial distance of child. Okay, let's say this array is initial distance of child is greater than distance of parent. Initial distance of parent plus weight of the same edge over which we are traversing plus weight of edge. Okay, if this condition is true, what we will simply do is we will update initial distance of child with this value. Okay, दिस इज जस्ट सिंपल ऑब्जर्वेशन कि अगर वेट हम कंपेयर कर रहे हैं और उसके इनिशियल वेट से जो अब नया वेट है पेरेंट प्लस वेट का, ओके, पेरेंट प्लस लेंथ का यू कैन से कम है, तो ऑब्वियसली वी विल अपडेट दैट डिस्टेंस ना. ओके, नाउ वी विल डू द सेम फॉर 3 एंड नाउ वी हैव समथिंग लाइक, वन सेकेंड, and now we have something like 2 and this distance will be 3. Okay, now obviously when this is done and these all other distances are initially infinity and infinity. Okay, now we will come to its child adjacency list. Let's say now we have two childs, okay, 2 and 4. We will obviously come to the shorter one, whose distance is shorter. Okay, so we have two childs of 1 which is of distance 2 and 3, and we have to go to the child which is shorter in distance. Okay, हम क्या करेंगे, जो चाइल्ड पहले कम डिस्टेंस पे हम उस पे आएंगे. ओके, ये एल्गोरिदम का इम्प्लीमेंटेशन है और यू कैन से वर्किंग है. कम डिस्टेंस पे आए, देन वी विल रिपीट द सेम स्टेप. We will again traverse an adjacency list of 2 which will be having 3 and 5 as a child. Okay, now distance of 2 plus 1, distance of 2 is simply 2 plus weight of this edge is 1. Okay, this is less than initial distance of 3 which is right now infinity. So what we will simply do is we will update one thing I have done wrong here. Actually this node is 4 not 3. Okay, this node is 4, I should write 3 here, and now I will update distance of 3 which will be obviously 2 plus 1 because it is shorter than infinity, so it will be 3. Okay, in the same way we will repeat the same process, and every time when we will be done by updating all the child's distance, like जब हम 2 पे हैं और इसके सारे childs हमने update कर दिए which is 3 and 5. okay, then we will again search for the shortest path, shortest distances. okay, shortest distances अब कौन कौन सी रह जाएंगी, पहली तो ये रह जाएगी, ठीक है, 3. दूसरी क्या हो जाएगी, दूसरी हो जाएगी ये वाली डिस्टेंस इस नोड की विच विल बी ऑल्सो 3. ओके फाइन. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्या हो जाएगी, अगर तुम यहाँ से इसकी डिस्टेंस 2 है और इसकी 4 है तो 2 plus 4 कितनी हो जाएगी, 6. तो लेट मी अपडेट दिस डिस्टेंस ऑल्सो, दिस विल बी 6. ओके, व्हेन वी विल बी ट्रैवर्सिंग एडजेसेंसी लिस्ट ऑफ 2. नाउ सिंस जो 2 डिस्टेंस वाला और यू कैन से 2 था जो वो हम ऑलरेडी अपडेट कर चुके हैं 2 की एडजेसेंसी लिस्ट, तो हम उसको क्या कर देंगे, विजिटेड मार्क कर देंगे. नाउ वी हैव डिस्टेंसेस 3, 3 एंड 6. ओके, नाउ वी विल अगेन सर्च फॉर द शॉर्टेस्ट वन which will be either one. You can take either one. Okay, let's say हमने ये वाला लिया एंड ये वाला 3 लेट से 3 के लिए, ठीक है. तो हमारे पास क्या क्या है, 3 जो कि डिस्टेंस है. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट थिंग व्हाट वी हैव इज उसका नोड. नाउ वी विल सिंपली ट्रैवर्स इन द एडजेसेंसी लिस्ट ऑफ 3 विच विल बी हैविंग 2, क्योंकि 2 ऑलरेडी विजिटेड है, हम 2 को काउंट करेंगे नहीं. विच विल बी हैविंग 5, 5 इज ऑलरेडी विजिटेड, 5 को हम काउंट नहीं करेंगे. एंड लास्ट वन विल बी 6, तो हम सी को 6 को अपडेट कर देंगे. ओके, so this is the process. Now if you carefully observed this process, in each step we have to find shortest distance वाला node. Okay, तो shortest distance वाला node हम कैसे find कर सकते हैं, O of 1 में. Because one thing what we are doing is we are always obviously iterating over every node. Okay, तो O of n complexity उसके लिए. Then again if we traverse in adjacency list of something, okay, or if we traverse in distance array or our or where we are storing this distances, okay, so worst time क्या हो जाएगा, O of v cross e. So that's why हमको क्या चाहिए कि हमको shortest distance वाला node O of 1 में मिल जाए. So we want a data structure, okay, in which insertion, deletion ये तो कॉमन होते हैं, ठीक है, एंड लास्ट वन इज शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ, शॉर्टेस्ट वाला, शॉर्टेस्ट वैल्यू वाला हमें O of 1 में मिल जाए. ओके, तो इसके लिए हम क्या यूज कर सकते हैं, either we can use set because we know in set all the values are already sorted and उसमें इनिशियल वैल्यू जो होगी वो शॉर्टेस्ट होगी. और सेकेंड थिंग वी कैन यूज इज प्रायोरिटी क्यू. प्रायोरिटी क्यू, if you don't know priority queue you can read it from GFG, okay, और YouTube में सर्च कर लो. in priority queue simple operations we have is insertion, deletion and sorted order. by default priority queue जो होता है वो मैक्स हीप होता है. मैक्स हीप इन द सेंस कि जो लार्जेस्ट वैल्यू होगी वो सबसे टॉप पे होगी, क्यू का जो टॉप होगा वो लार्जेस्ट वैल्यू होगी और जो क्यू का बॉटम होगा वो स्मॉलेस्ट होगी. तो टू मेक इट मिन हीप, मिन हीप मीन्स जो टॉप की वैल्यू है वो स्मॉलेस्ट कर दें और जो लास्ट की वैल्यू है वो लार्जेस्ट कर दें. ओके, वी विल यूज़ सम काइंड ऑफ कंपैरेटर फंक्शन और ओके, तो वो अभी कोड में देखते हैं. So for implementation we have priority queue and some arrays. Okay, so now let's get to the question and then we will see how we implement Dijkstra triple SP. Okay, shortest route 1. What we have to do in this question is we are having n cities and m flights connecting between them. Okay, so n cities means n vertex and m flights connecting them is simply m edges. Okay, your task is to determine the length of shortest route from Sirjala to every city. Okay, so Sirjala is our source and every city का हमें shortest path बताना है. You can check here, you can assume that it is possible to travel from Sirjala to all other cities. One thing, this line is telling us that our graph is having single component. Okay, more than one component नहीं है इसमें. And second thing is city 1 is Sirjala, so we have to tell shortest path from 1 to every other node. Okay, here is some example, you can check that. And since both values are 10 raised 5 number of nodes and number of edges, we can't do it in O of v time complexity. Okay, so that's why we are using priority queue. Let me explain the code then to you of single source shortest path using Dijkstra algorithm. Okay. One more thing is, in every step we will be having three values in input. 1 2 is a path from 1 to 2 and 6 is weight. Okay, fine. So let explanation of code in 10m for node and vertices. Then vector of pair. Why I have used vector of pair is because with every node I will be storing its weight also. Okay, तो every node के साथ हमें एक weight भी स्टोर करना है ना, और हमें पेरेंट उसका पता ही रहेगा अपने BFS के ट्रैवर्सल से. ओके, तो वन मोर थिंग वी वांट इन एवरी स्टेप इज इट्स weight of edge over which we are traversing. That's why I am storing values in vector in pairs. Okay, then I have taken visited array and then distance array. Then here is the declaration of priority queue. Okay, so if we declare priority queue by default, तो वो कुछ ऐसा होता है. ठीक है, लेट मी शो यू. अगर बाय डिफॉल्ट करोगे प्रायोरिटी क्यू, अगर तुम ऐसा करोगे प्रायोरिटी क्यू, तो इट विल बी बाय डिफॉल्ट मैक्स हीप. एंड in this question we want min heap. So for min heap we declare priority queue like this. Okay, since one more thing, since in queue we will be storing weight and node. Okay, so we want two values simultaneously. That's why instead of integer I am using pair. Okay, then second thing is vector of same data type which you are storing. Okay, min heap बनाने के लिए ये करते हैं. Then comparator function of same data type which we are storing in queue. So this is declaration of min heap of priority queue. Then we will be simply taking input of m edges. One more thing in question is that describing the flight connections is its length. Each flight is one-way flight. Okay, so this is the main point also. Since each flight is one-way flight, so we are only storing path from x to y, not from y to x. Okay, great. Then here now for initial q में हमने initial value डाली. Now one more thing, q में जो पेयर स्टोर कर रहा है, since we are using comparator function. okay, and जो हमें min heap क्रिएट करनी है वो इनिशियली वो फर्स्ट वैल्यू की अकॉर्डिंग min heap क्रिएट होगी. तो फर्स्ट वैल्यू में हम क्या स्टोर करवा रहे हैं, फर्स्ट वैल्यू में स्टोर करवा रहे हैं हम डिस्टेंस. ओके, एंड सेकेंड वैल्यू में नोड. ओके, फर्स्ट वैल्यू में डिस्टेंस एंड सेकेंड वैल्यू में नोड. तो 1 की सोर्स से डिस्टेंस कितनी हो जाएगी, 0. फ्रॉम रूट टू सोर्स इट विल बी 0. देन इनिशियलाइज्ड डिस्टेंस एरे विद इन्फिनिटी. Infinity here I have taken this. Why? Because every edge will be having maximum value weight 10 is 9 and we can have total m edges. So maximum weight we can have is 10 is 9 cross m plus 1. Okay. Initialized visited with 0. Then distance of 1 0. Okay, initialized it. Then simple BFS traversal. ऑटो में हमने क्या लिया, क्यू का टॉप विच विल बी हैविंग शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस. ओके, जो मैंने यहाँ पे बताया था प्रायोरिटी क्यू में हमें जो भी डिस्टेंसेस होंगी उनमें से सबसे छोटा वाला शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस चाहिए. ठीक है, तो शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस लिया, ए इंटीजर में शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस वाला पेयर ले लिया. देन जो एलिमेंट था उसको पॉप कर दिया एंड देन सी एंड डी. इन सी वी हैव करेंट डिस्टेंस In C we have current node, okay, and in distance we have shortest distance. If visited of C is already done, if traversal of C is already done, then we will simply continue, okay, because जो C की adjacency list थी उससे हमने updation कर दिया already, so we will continue. Otherwise we will mark C obviously 1 and traverse in its adjacency list, and simply we will check this condition. If distance of C, if distance of parent, C is parent here, and I dot ss means I dot second value, pair की जो second value, let me explain here, okay, here only I will explain. In every pair in our adjacency list I have stored first node and second is distance, okay. That's why in adjacency list of parent when we will traverse we will have I as a pair, and जो उसका weight है उस edge का, ठीक है, that will be in I dot second, okay. So distance of parent plus edge weight if it is less than initial distance of child, okay, initial distance of child से कम होगा, then simply we will update that distance and push the distance in our queue, okay, and it will obviously continue till our queue is empty, and at last we will be printing our distances, okay. So it will obviously give you a C. I will put the code link in my description of this video, and thank you guys for watching if you have watched it fully, and subscribe this channel if you haven't done yet, and like the video if you thumbs up the video if you like this video. Thank you guys for watching.